Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase the font size on your Outlook application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Outlook application on your desktop PC. If you don't have it, you will need to go and open any browser you are currently using or could be possibly working for you. Once you open that, just go to the URL section and type download Outlook and hit the enter button. Then go to the first link and start downloading it. Of course, this will be pretty simple. It will be like downloading any other item or application in your PC. You must have been already like downloaded something in your PC. So it will be pretty easy. Once it's downloaded into your PC, all you need to do, just go and install it, then open it up. Once you did that, they will ask you to log in into your account. Of course, if you have an account, you will need to log in into it fast, and this will be pretty easy. But if you don't have it, all you need to do, just go and create one from their website, or even if you have an option from there, just go and create your account. Once you did that, just log in into your account, and you'll find yourself with this home screen, with this main screen. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to increase the font size on our Outlook application. So of course, if you want to do that, you can just like go at the top left corner here, new email, and click on that. And as you can see, this will open this for us, but for now I don't actually care about the from to CC subjects. Let's ignore that, and we'll go to just to our like message or email or whatever you're gonna send to someone. So start typing your email, and once you finished and you want to increase the font size, just select it all, and of course you'll have these two options. If you click on this one, you can just go and increase it. If you click on this one, you will decrease it. And of course, you can even like click on this and choose any custom number you want. So let's use an example 25. Hit the enter button. As you can see, it's increased. Or you can just go and click at this flash and choose whatever you want from here. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.